Let's talk about something cool yet powerful. Artificial intelligence and lead generation. Trust me, it's a game changer. Ready to dive in? Imagine AI as your smart assistant, tirelessly sorting through data to find your perfect leads. It's like having a super efficient team member who never sleeps, constantly sifting through the digital universe to connect you with your ideal customers, right? AI is all about precision and personalization. Think of it as a master chef who knows exactly what your guest craves. Now, here's the best part: predictive analysis. AI doesn't just understand your current leads, it predicts your future ones, right? It's like having a crystal ball showing you who's most likely to engage with your brand. With AI, you're not just reaching more people, you're reaching the right people. It's like throwing a dart and hitting the bullseye every single time. So join us here on this exciting AI journey here at Kreativize. Let's harness the incredible tech to supercharge your lead generation and take your business to the next level.